I made Medical Medium's Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie for breakfast this morning. We are all human and exposed to heavy metals on the daily. This smoothie helps detox those heavy metals from our body. The 5 ingredients that work together and playing a different role in detoxing different heavy metals from our body are wild blueberries. I find them in the frozen section at Costco. Atlantic Dulse flakes, barley grass juice powder, spirulina powder, and cilantro. The banana and orange, of course, have health benefits as well and make the smoothie taste good. I drink Medical Medium's Heavy Metal Detox Smoothie for breakfast on rotation, but it's been a while since I've had it every morning, and there is magic and repetitiveness, so the rest of this month my goal is to have this for breakfast, minus one day when I'm gone, but more than not, just to really detox out the heavy metals from my body. Heavy metals play a huge role in so many symptoms. Anxiety, depression, brain fog, Alzheimer's, ADHD, autism, our hormones, eczema, so much more that I'm not listing here. So it's just a great smoothie to incorporate overall. And if you don't like the taste of cilantro, which is in the smoothie, start with less and work your way up. Or if the Dulse flakes taste a little bit like too salty to you right away, I find don't leave out the orange as it really cuts through the taste and helps make it sweeter. So, and of course, if you don't have everything, use what you do have.